ki Khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Raju Sharma ubalong uway ni Nongthoh Khubor balakham rangba hapo ke Jylla Meghalaya ula Khladnoh ka janmit jong ka khatway terik ubnai kalaling kot arajar arpu ar hadin ke jingsha sumar ka balaslam ha Mumbai nakadaw ka jingban ka jingpang jingsitom hakamet jong u hakabaya day bat kani ki Nongthoh Khubor ki badan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Shillong Press Club kila penlong ni ka jingelang Sngewlem halor ka ni ka jingdu no yau paralok Nongthoh Khubor ubala slambha bat hakaju ka por ka Shillong Press Club ka pharu yau kerwo Sngewlem syaki bahayeng hasem ba ublay un pentingan yaki hakum ka ni ka por ba ka yeng ka sem baro ka way kalamat nya ka jingwan tap ulo ubadum.
We are gathered here to pay obeisance and remember and celebrate the life of one of our old friends, senior journalist, colleague, a treasurer of the Shillong Press Club, a man of many talents, Raju Sharma. He unfortunately passed away last night at Woodland Hospital. And I will just share briefly with the House so as to all of us so that we all know what exactly happened. I got a call in the morning today from Mr. Pawan Sharma. I think some of our old colleagues will remember. He's a very active Marwari social worker who's even contested elections. He called me up and said, "Sir, Raju uncle chala gaya." So I said, "Huh? He's no more." What happened? He said he fell ill yesterday. He was not feeling well, so they took him to Woodland. They admitted him, but he didn't make it. So then they said we have to test. So they tested, and in the morning they informed the relatives that he also had COVID. So apparently they said that there was a problem about releasing the body protocol, this, that. So when Pawan asked me, I spoke with the DC and she was kind enough to sort that out, and the body was released, and we got the municipal board to give their people the vehicle to transport the body. And since Raju's wife, Bhabi, really wanted to see him for the last time, I requested the DC. She was again kind enough to allow the Raju's mortal remains to be taken via the house before it was taken to cremation.
The demise of Raju Sharma. As we all know, he is the treasurer of Shillong Press Club. I have known Raju for a very long time. He was there in the profession when I joined this profession. He's very gentle, very soft-spoken, not so very helpful. I never knew that he had that disease, because always when he have convened a meeting of the EC of the National Press, he used to attend. Sure. Even during the last National Press Day, he was there. He was very cheerful. But now he's gone. We are very sad, but we pray for the very family, his wife, his grandson, and other members of the family, that the soul of our dear Raju will rest in peace.
Spoken dead. Usnam Patmai Udangchu. One body. Yokajat. Pakum Press Club Hot ye. Adapt Shara Museum Gaba Kabakian do Sam Paladep. Way na Prengi Prad Hot Kujumi Lana, Lino Shakamat. In the canoe, Naganege. Long Joga Patay Marian, take a Samsian Ray, who play Don Patibala Don Pagaj Shitom. Recum Kiparad Hot Habangi. Ya kan do ikut kini kecilnya nak try kumpulan press club ni dapat tu kemensiam kau masuk kumpulan ba well ni secretary jungi kalau kaya kemensiam kau bawa kebelar teh pejak sih sah lo kebening kepala pejak lupa masing kim step ngarung UI ke message maka isi juga press club bawa ini ki dekot nongkit kam jungi beri treasurer pun Khladnoh nak ni kepercayai kaya kebangan kenal Raju hi kedai bah ka group juga isi di bakwel ba David Brokhek ba jo kan in kan mau ya ki sembok perkat ke bau ju ai man gaste teng kadang ko ngatra ide puhi iba biria ha ka to group balai Raju met sau bajin mesti pemlada ai ya ko mak coach ngasusi hang ni ko na do hayang mas ni iya ka to kolong balai ngam sim la kunai la nasif ye gitu ki semua perkara ke bau Raju ai but kidon di semua perkara ngatra ka isi group kan yu iya na ngabu hak status but man abang ngabu hak status ki perlok pa beper ki ju thumbs up ben peni ya kata ka coach ke bau Raju ju ai ke group itu ki coach si ki dei ki ba ai min sim shisha lara fi pele jumot iki tu ki sembo perkara ke bau Raju ju ai man la ka step ha ke group ke jungi om tang ba kepentingan ni ka min sim ndai ka penchlori pi ka ai min sim pi ha ko por ba pi duka ha ke jingim don ki singi ho ngi ngim la ban like ha bangi don ki jing bakla ka kam ka bangi trai ndai ki tu ki sembo perkara ke bau Raju ju ai ha ka isi group kita ai min sim shisha dia hukum kini ka por ngim num da don ka kentien tam mangin bu ya ke jingbai hau play try kan rap nong bu Nongthoh ba unai ba ka min sim ju Raju kan poisok kan poi sains ka play bat Raju hi un kur ka do le mini ya ke yang ka sem ba indang la penya chakmat hukum
Aku Arsenal to be exact. Nadu bunga join in the profession. Ada kata ngalaman pun ang yang itu boy ang ba sabang ba Raju man ka step yang siapa itu di court ber machine
respond menekong
do man par ba ke jing tiang lagi kan message Raju mengala itu de uprio mengala ya jan hajing de profession bargaining profession ta udah uprio ba ajing mut ber deploy benirap ya para mengi bo bani ka fraternity jongi te ngas pun pa ba jing sung senai barka jing aga jing sungu ya condolence message ba yang san por bangatip ya kani por bo sitam Raju ngarang ai kublai u bat wong ba lele syo ta man hagini mta dang arnai mai kundu yu khun wong ba pau aple chmombai sise na kala dio ban le kani ka kemo mai tu i ba jagan yong nian le no poi perkat ba tang na ita unsur Khladnoh artio mo ba ta Khladnoh te kalau kayak gitu duduk nong yang ni duduk nong kumio perlu baca ni tu ai bawa play un ai un sim baca Thai seru pun juga
old colleague or you can say that comrade passed away last night. I'm really feeling what to tell because when I joined this profession in 1993, that moment he was working with the Eastern Panorama. But I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's a weekly or monthly magazine was there. Then owner of the Kamal Jidinola, he sometimes try to contact me that you are doing many things and covering the many programs, so you just try to contribute to us also. And that moment when I went the office, that near that just upstairs of the present UCO Bank main branch, he was working there, and I met him first time that moment 1993. From that moment I know him. He's a very good and polite gentleman. He knows many things about the journalism. Maybe he is not attached with the daily Manipular or other paper and all these things, but still I also learned from him many things about the journalism. So what to tell, because I'm really surprised when I got the message. Then when I'm covering that some program this morning at Quinton Road, that moment Rosa was from any guy, he called me, sir, who is Dada, who is Raju Sharma? I don't know, because can you tell me a little bit? That moment I told him that he is one of the oldest journalists and senior most journalists, I can say that. So after that, I told him that just I'm busy with some program, so I will talk to you later. And he told me that okay. But at that moment only I saw that the message, whatever in our press club group mentioned that Raju Sharma is no more. I'm really surprised because he is a very gentle. You can say that he is try to teach other also, the younger people, those are coming in this field, is trying to teach them also how to do, what to do, how to cover the program and all. Is always trying to teach others also, younger people. I'm really very sorry to say that one of our, maybe I think many of you not meet that moment with him, but he was a very active person that moment. And I pray to God that he should get eternal peace and all this. Om Shanti, Om Shanti.
Bao cái chính sống sinh lọt cái chính Khladnoh Raju Sharma akan mau Khubor bagi senam di belalai insang am sim lade bon poi kan kam ngadon mentah nomor itu Khubor bagi don kajing perkat bon sen ya ka Hindi news channel kemudian television Raju Sharma doi berita dong kan ka channel kemudian ka bapeni Khubor ke Hindi Kijinga keren, kijinga perkat kira ya cepat nado kisnam arajar lai ter. Makan mau dia ngadang pule, ya kapor mengalai, makan dak sustang ya ka BA thadia. Masih kedua ya Raju Sharma Rajesh Pin Press, mar ngasih buat email, bon isim kikon. Kapor bekisdang ya kani ro, ngarap bil buru bersempam. Marga i suap genon saka channel ro kibro ada pengkre rupa masan tu benai story ki boper hat nga tu kapor ngam padai to kena bateri full time nomor mengadang don ke pule nga pa guru ya kata ke mga kwa mga pendap sai ke pule dan rai hakipor bokulut madulet ban simi interview dak khatien khasi ke madulet ban sombet batke habikile ya kena ki kam kepada berkalan editing ki kono story nomor bangas Nongthoh babon preng ki ba don Nongthoh ki dai kita bam nang bertran khasi ki bam nang bentok khasi tikin jar ha bagi Nongthoh lo unu khasi ukuran aku tu ka news channel dan dai dak tu jingarak apoi uput yang bangas Nongthoh unu kalong unu kaman apoi snon bangan joy nya kena kam adu menai mentah aku jingat mesti ke sungai abad Raju Sharma long belum berjaya bom tulen kono ko jimbo non ya dadot dulu jimbo klaro omde ubro boklo ban mai am ju asmo hero bakino no ki bay trelang ke non no ki ban samai ban sakran ko yem tan ke ubro boklo ya ban betin nanti ko boklong bat slor ki euro kumlo kinya kumlo kinde kumlo kin approach ko kile dulu story masmo ba aku jadi orang Raju Sharma de win ni rangba abla amen sem hai nga ai babon kiliang ko next time ru ba mdai ka nga wat kumjo iki bodon po megala garden ko poro kanong kumjo hin marba katla ka bangadon nga ko jim joy dong ki porok bon ngot ba ki snam baki babon ki bojoy ni ka kam ki debet haki katla ki badang apa dong ki arwar apa snam sura brang sependap ki jimpule tengah sibuk bapa jiklat trong Raju Sharma kada ke jindo bakrau amtang ya ba selong perskap mulai kada iwai piwai Nongthoh Khubor, Nongthoh Khubor bodon akan ke Jylla ibu nak koi. Lesuk Raju Sharma song jak thai ki yang buat Nongthoh.
Kajing tang Raju Sharma bodon hak tiah kejak tengah dalit si iru si kentiu yang uju am si memang. Dai kajing klat ni tang gelong bangi kilong dian matang hidung kamban bot yaki wal dibantu ya kan usaha rezeki ayu kilek la contribute ya society jeng ni kentang Nongthoh Khubor ni kejuk mentang yang bul bodang dang duna tiam tang dang buat bidang dang sebujung bak pual jumpa dewet baju ibai-ibai hal tidang long ki reureum te makiru senang batai sisu i ki ai ki Nongthoh Khubor beri mula Khladnoh wat bala contribute ya selum pesklop ani tiam dai tenia doi lang nya kepat ya ulai mun ai ba Raju Sharma ni type